Hey guys, in this video I will be installing a nuke. I hope this helps. I'll see you out at the bees. Okay guys, so we are here at the bees. I am just getting my suit on and then we will be ready to install the nukes. While we're waiting here, how's your day going, guys? I drove an hour and a half to Illinois and back, so I did about, I didn't drive, but so 3 hours of driving today. So I got a little car sick, but we're back and I'm doing just fine. So I'm excited to get these bees in. So yeah, let's do it. It's a nice day here. So I'm actually pretty hot, so I'm taking off my sweatshirt. I don't need that with my bee suit on. Okay. Wait, guys, I just realized my mic is on my sweatshirt, so you might not be able to hear me. Okay, now you can hear me, hopefully. I can put this on my suit. Okay, guys, can you hear the bees? They're like buzzing like crazy. Listen to this. They are ready. Their little legs are kicking. They want out bad, so we'll give them what they want. Let's do it. There's saran wrap on these nukes. They are like cardboard nukes. They're not like cardboard, I guess. They're like poly, whatever. They're easy nuke. One's an easy nuke. One's a, I guess they both are. But they're somehow different. But, I mean, they're still the same bees. But, okay, anyways. Enough talking and let's do this. Need to be careful carrying these out. Just opening the bed. Let's do this. Which one should I do first? Which one's the lucky winner? I guess I'll do this one. No going back. Well, I guess I could go back, but anyways. Guys, I forgot a, what's it called? I forgot a hive tool. So I'm gonna go get that and I'll come back. See you in a second. How do I stop this? Guys, I have my Flow Hive tool here. Super dirty, but let's do it. So, and I have my bee brush here. So I have my nuke here. This is already all set. So we'll get this and we'll take out 5 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These can go out. Out with the old and in with the new. Oh wow, there's a furry caterpillar in here. Should we pick it up so I can show you? It's not letting me pick it up. It's like, there it is. Furry caterpillar. Look at that. Ah! Okay. Anyways. Okay, so this is all set. Now we just have to open it up and we're good. Okay, so now we're gonna open this up here. I have some saran wrap, so just get this off if you have it. Sometimes it's a plastic nuke, so. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow. Immediately thousands of bees. Okay. Should probably put this right next to it just so I don't lose a ton of bees. Okay. These is absolutely crazy. Do you see this, guys? Look at that. Okay. So this right here, trying to set it so you can see here. Okay. So we'll start with this frame, I guess. This is an absolute absurd amount of bees. They need more room ASAP, so it's a good thing we're doing this. And again, these bees are super calm. Nectar, so that'll go right there. Okay, I'm gonna move this here. Now we'll do the next frame. And again, they're super nice. They're just flighty from being in the car. Amazing frame of larvae on this side. Wow, that's like prize winning right there. This side, super good, and then amazing on this side. So that'll go right here. Okay, next frame. Again, this is just an unreal amount of bees. I'm guessing the queen will be on this frame, just because it's the middle frame. Sorry, bees. There she is. She's not marked, but she's right there. She's dark. Now, she's right here at the top. Okay. Oh, this knocked over. Oopsie. We gotta move these frames to the middle because it's uneven. Then these two frames are here, pretty new. Yeah, this is a brand new frame. Holy cow, that's an insane brood pattern. Look at this. I hope you see that, because that's unreal. Then that side the same. Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, that's not good. That fell over. Okay. Insane brood pattern. Again, look at that. White colored brood. Super pretty. Then some more right there. Okay. So yeah, these guys are amazing. And then now there's a lot of bees in here still. So now we can use our brush here. Gently brush the bees off. And for the rest of them, I'll just let them go right there. And then we can just kind of sweep the bees in the middle. Okay. Then we can just put the lid on. And you want to kind of slide them to prevent killing any bees. Slow motion. Perfect, just like that. Then put the roof on. Just a few little bees. Perfect. Perfectly done. And all those bees will go in. And after that, we're all set. See you guys in the next video.